Good morning, guys. I just woke up today. My girlfriend's birthday. I wanna give something small surprise. Yeah, now I'm gonna something prepared, and I will go pick up something for her.
Means so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past our satellites.
As I finished pick up cake, now I'm going to buy flour.
So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is the holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do.
So guys, we arrive in Amsterdam. He's
Saint,
going,
after
playing
long time.
Rotterdam, Den Haag, everything. But real life we come to Amsterdam, and now we're going to Madame Tussauds Museum.
Yeah, this is.
We're planning, I think, 2 years this.
Yeah, I wanna go
Before?
very long time.
I went, but never in Amsterdam, and it's in central location in Amsterdam Dam Square. So
Let's see.
I
How
hope for
inside.
Adele, Taylor Swift, and he wants also Messi. This, I hope everyone is there waiting for us, right? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You are the best. Let's go.
I just want your love. 이 어색한 분위기도 뒤로 앉은 말을 나누며 이 차가운 커피 속 얼음이 녹은지 모르고 널 계속 쳐다보고 있을 때면 네 모습은 내 눈에 소모 빠르게 가는 시간 속 사진 찍어 머릿속에 right 어쩜 아름다운 건 너와 좀 가까운 걸지 몰라 아마 이런 말들도 너에겐 아까운 걸지 몰라 너에게 말을 늘어놓을 땐 솔직히 거짓말은 안 해 뻔한 말들을 난 꺼내 I just want your love Fall in love, our love is slow motion 친구 사이 지나쳐 Slow mo Fall in love, our love is slow motion 천천히도 괜찮아 Slow
We're now going second attraction. There is tower. We're going up, and there is what?
Swing.
And there is swing. We can see all Amsterdam, everything.
Yeah.
He's scared of height, so I don't know how he will. He is gonna do.
No, no.
It's my birthday. I decide. Let's go.
조금 천천히 너에게 맘을 다 비출 수 있게 Fall in love, our love is slow motion 친구 사이 지나쳐 Slow mo Fall in love, our 느꼈어 I felt I love you 네 행동 하나까지도 난 모두 놓치기 싫어서 널 계속 쳐다보고 있을 때면 천천히 내 맘에 닿아서 내 감정들은 더 커져 이 시간은 멈출지 몰라.
Hi guys, today is already I think 8th of December. It's my birthday finish and now we're going to AMAC.
Yeah, buying iPhone
15.
not to me, for her. That's why. Oh no, I'm joking. I'm happy to her.
Okay guys, let's go. Hopefully everything goes smoothly and not gonna be crowd because I don't like
Smoothly,
waiting
yeah.
crowd.
My castle crumbled overnight. I brought a knife to a gunfight. They took the crown, but it's alright. All the liars are calling me one. Nobody's heard from me for months. I'm doing better than I ever was. My baby's fit like a daydream.
So guys, as you can see, today I have one big project to finish. We had a big ugly red sofa from before, like when we moved from Den Haag to Leiden, and like it started going down too much and it looked really ugly and old, so we decided to buy a new one. This is IKEA grey sofa, 399 euro only, so not that expensive, plus a table, but that's just a coffee table next to it. Yeah, I'm really excited, but also at the same time I have never done a sofa before. So yeah, let's go, let's build a sofa.
And I know I make the same mistakes every time. Bridges burn, I never learn. At least I did one thing right. I did one thing right. I'm laughing with my lover, making forwards undercover. Trust him like a brother, yeah, you know I did one thing right. Starry eyes sparking at my darkest night. My baby's feel like a daydream, walking with his head down. I'm the one he's walking to. So call it what you want, yeah, call it what you want to. My baby's fly like a jet stream, high above the whole scene. Loves me like I'm brand new. So call it what you want, yeah, call it what you want to. I want to wear his initial on a chain round my neck, chain round my neck. Not because he owns me, but cause he really knows me, which is more than they can say. I recall late November, holding my breath slowly. I said, you don't need to save me, but would you run away with me? Yes, my baby's fit like a daydream, walking with his head down. I'm the one he's walking to. So call it what you want, yeah, call it what you want to. My baby's fly like a jet stream, high above the whole scene. Loves me like I'm brand new. So call it what you want.
You're welcome, baby. You like?
Yes.
What you expected is good?